In today's video, I'm going to show you how to inspect and protect presentations in PowerPoint to make sure your file is clean, secure, and ready to share. Whether you're sending a presentation to clients, colleagues, or uploading it online, it's important to remove hidden data and mark it as final so no one accidentally edits it. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can confidently protect your PowerPoint presentations. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your presentation in PowerPoint. Once your file is open, go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. This will take you to the Backstage view, where you can access all the file settings and options. From the menu on the left side, click on Info. This section shows you details about your presentation, including permissions, properties, and inspection tools. Next, look for the button labeled Check for Issues. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this drop-down, select Inspect Document. This feature allows you to scan your presentation for hidden properties, personal information, comments, and other metadata that may not be visible on the slides themselves. If PowerPoint prompts you to save the presentation before continuing, click Yes. It's important to save so the inspection runs on the most recent version of your file. Now the Document Inspector dialog box will appear. Here, you'll see several checkboxes representing different types of content that can be inspected, such as comments, document properties, hidden text, and more. Leave the default selections checked to perform a full inspection, then click on Inspect. PowerPoint will now scan your presentation. After a few seconds, you'll see a list of detected issues. Carefully review the inspection results. If personal information or document properties are found, you'll see an option next to them. To remove sensitive metadata, click on Remove All next to Document Properties and Personal Information. This will permanently delete hidden details such as the author name, company information, and other embedded data that you may not want others to see. If there are additional sections with detected content, you can scroll through the inspection results to review everything. Take your time to ensure you're only removing what you're comfortable deleting. Once you've finished reviewing and removing the necessary information, click on Close to exit the Document Inspector. Your presentation is now clean of hidden properties and personal information. Now that we've inspected and cleaned the file, let's protect the presentation to prevent accidental edits. Click on the File tab again in the top left corner. Once again, select Info from the left side menu. In the Info section, look for the Protect Presentation button. Click on it to see several protection options. From the drop-down menu, select Mark as Final. This option lets others know that the presentation is considered complete and discourages them from making changes. After selecting Mark as Final, PowerPoint will display a confirmation message explaining that the document will be marked as final and editing will be disabled. Click OK to confirm. You may see one more confirmation prompt. Click OK again if required. Your presentation is now marked as final. When someone opens the file, they'll see a notification at the top indicating that the presentation is final and editing is turned off unless they explicitly choose to enable it. And that's it. You've successfully inspected your PowerPoint presentation, removed hidden personal information, and protected it by marking it as final. This is a simple but powerful step to ensure professionalism and data security before sharing your work. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.